Chunni and Munni went out to play near the pond on a sunny day. A little duck said, let's play a game. Hide and seek, that's my name. Munni closed her eyes to count, while Ducky hid without a sound. Chunni looked behind the tree. Nope, she said, it's not where he'd be. They checked the grass, the rocks, the swing, then heard a quiet quack and a wing. Duck was hiding near a log, peeking out the morning fog. Chunni laughed and Munni cheered. Come out, Ducky, we found you here. Then it was Munni's turn to hide, and Ducky waddled side to side. Chunni laughed and Munni cheered. Come out, Ducky, we found you here. Then it was Munni's turn to hide, and Ducky waddled side to side. Munni closed her eyes to count, while Ducky hid without a sound. Chunni looked behind the tree. No, she said, it's not where he'd be. They checked the grass, the rocks, the swing, then heard a quiet quack and a wing. Duck was hiding near a log, peeking out through morning fog. Chunni laughed and Munni cheered. Come out, Ducky, we found you here. Then it was Munni's turn to hide, and Ducky waddled side to side.